Are you in a workshop and the attention of your audience is starting to dwindle? No problem. Utilize the intimate setting of the workshop and try out these 5 games. The first game is called Bet with the Audience, and it is really simple. First, you just ask a question of your audience. For example, are you a cat or a dog person? Or do you like gyros or kebab more? Then you let them wager, maybe some virtual currency, give everybody like 2 or 3 chips. And then, after everybody wagered, just hold a poll and let the people decide, are they more a dog or a cat person? The side that bet the right answer wins, of course, and you can do that like 2 or 3 times and just move on. The second game is called the Improv Chain, and it is exactly what it sounds like. First, you pick a person and tell them one category. And then they have just to name 5 things out of that category before they pick another person. For example, I can pick Christian and I tell him, name 5 things that are cars. And he can say Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Tesla and General Motors. And then he picks the next person, for example Mike, and the category is aliens. Have fun with that one. The third game you can play with your audience is called Guess Who. Yes, you heard right, the same game from a few decades ago. The game is pretty simple. You just pick one person that you have in mind, and now everybody else has to guess which person you have in mind. They can do so by asking questions. For example, does the person wear glasses? Or does the person have short hair? And every time you ask a question, the people that do not match this description can just turn off the cameras, for example, until only one person is left over and you can guess who it is. For the third game, it's Trivia Night. You can play a simple trivia game with your participants. All you have to do is prepare a few questions. Let's do about 5 to 10, so to not take it up too much time. Then put the people in small groups and then give them breakout rooms or schnacks where they can jot down the answers. Ask your question, wait for every group to answer, and then give out the points accordingly. For the fifth game, we have the Toroo Game. It's basically Would You Rather, but with the Schnack Engage button. It's really simple. You ask the people a question with a twist. For example, if you press the button, you become a billionaire, but you are not able to enjoy your 3 most treasured hobbies for the rest of your life. Now just see how many people click the button or how furiously they start clicking the button and enjoy the laughs. I also have a bonus game for you. It's called the Wikipedia Chain and it's also really simple. You give the audience a starting article, for example Zeus, the Greek god, and tell them an article where they have to end up on. For example, Kim Kardashian, the celebrity. And they only are allowed to navigate by clicking links in the Wikipedia article they're currently in or going back one article. I myself had from Zeus to Kim Kardashian about 5 clicks. Can you do it better? If so, tell us in the comments, and if you would like more videos about how to engage with your audience, like this video, subscribe this video, and see you next time.